on today, guys? Just doing a quick video here. Ordered my dad an Amazon bike kit. Just gas-powered bike kit you can order on Amazon. They're about 160 bucks Canadian with free shipping, so pretty good deal. Should be in here in the mail today, and he's gonna put it on his beach cruiser. So we're gonna show you guys how to get this done, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and hopefully this is some good informational video for you guys. Alright, so that's the beach cruiser, beloved beach cruiser. And yeah, so the first thing my dad wants to do here, he wants to flip these handlebars around. Gonna move the shifter over to this side too. And I think we're gonna have to move one of these brake levers to make room for the clutch. So we need to tear into this. Back wheel's gonna come off as well because we're gonna have to put another sprocket back there. For now though, we're just gonna start tearing apart on this thing, and kit should be here in about an hour. Even though you're 4 days ahead of scheduled delivery, but still. Alright, so pretty good amount of stuff for 160 bucks, honestly. Like, I really can't complain. Honestly, seems like pretty good quality too, as long as this motor runs. I mean, can't see why this wouldn't be a good purchase, even just the amount of stuff you get for 160 bucks. I mean, you're not going to go to the store and go buy all that for less than 160 bucks piece by piece, so definitely something good to look into. So we're going to start putting this thing together, and step one was to cut this rubber grommet thing they give you right between the holes, and then you get, what is it, 6 or 3 of these? 3 of these, and then you're going to need to find 9 bolts that they provide you to go through here, also in the package. So as you can see, these will line up over the holes. Rubber grommet thing will go on there. Got our sprocket on, wheel going back on. First major step complete. That was the task. Trying to get all these bolts in the hub to line up onto the back side as well here. Sorry, it's hard to film back in there, but there's 9 bolts in the back too, obviously. Hold that on. 2 rubber pieces, one on each side of the sprocket there, one on each side of the spokes. Alright, did a pretty bad job at filming assembling this thing, but we got her together. Dad's been fine-tuning it for the past week, trying to get everything, perfect on it. And I'm going to let him do some explaining on everything he had to do in getting this thing fine-tuned, and getting it together. Then we'll show you guys the finished product.
I don't know where to start, but everything comes loose. You got to tighten it back up. I put about 10 miles on it. The head was loose. It's been a project. Fun bike, goes about 30. This motor fit on this bike with like millimeters of clearance to everything. I had the chain too tight. I blew up the chain. It's a 415 chain specific to the bike, and I used a standard size. I believe it was a 41 chain I seen online, and it seems to be working fine. The gas tank paint was junk, so I had no choice but to paint it.
Chain guard. Chain guard.
Painted the chain guard. Other than that, I don't know what to say. I got it running pretty good. I'm still trying to break it in.
Alright. Everything was pretty simple too, like putting it together off camera. There was nothing overly complicated, you know, there's only one little coil pack here. And, you know, it's just a basic, I don't know, like engine. If you're pretty mechanically knowledgeable, like anyone can really put this together. And yeah, we'll fire it up for you guys and let you guys hear it, and then Dad will take her for a spin up and down the street, and you guys see how this thing goes.
Get it on the street.
Thank you guys for watching. My apologies again for not filming more of the assembly of this thing. If you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I'm sure I'll be able to answer them. And please subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more. If we don't just do obviously bikes, we're a garage channel, so anything with a motor, you know, we'll probably be interested in it. So whatever you guys want to see, leave that in the comments below, and we'll catch you guys at the next one.